Have you ever woken up and thought, I know I should move, but 5 more minutes of sleep just feels so good? Don't worry, you're not lazy, you're human. And let's be real, the most challenging part of any workout is just getting out of bed. But what if I told you you don't have to? You heard that right. Today, I'm going to show you a 5-minute morning workout you can do without even leaving your mattress. A routine that wakes up your muscles, boosts your energy, and sets your day on the right track, all before your feet even touch the floor. And before you think, that can't make a difference, let me tell you a little story. 1. The story of Olivia, the mattress breakthrough. Olivia was a freelance writer I have known for years. She worked from home, slept odd hours, and hated mornings. She'd tell me if I get up too fast, I feel dizzy. If I stay in bed too long, I feel groggy. So I asked her, what if you didn't get up fast? What if your workout started before your day even did? So she started a 5-minute mattress routine. No shoes, no sweat, no equipment. Just slow, gentle, activating movements. Fast forward 2 weeks. Olivia had better posture. Her back pain? Almost gone. She said she felt mentally sharper, more creative. And bonus, her energy didn't crash by 2 p.m. This routine became her morning coffee for the body. And now I want to share it with you. 2. Why bed-based movement works. Let's talk about why this works. A. You're starting low intensity, low resistance. Perfect for stiff joints, cold muscles, or even people with chronic pain or limited mobility. B. You increase blood flow gradually. This boosts oxygen to your brain and muscles, making you more alert without needing caffeine. C. You signal your nervous system to wake up. Gentle stretching and movement tells your body it's go time, without the shock of jumping into cardio. D. It builds consistency. Because let's be honest, if you start your day with movement, you're more likely to continue making healthy choices throughout the day. And it all starts in bed. 3. The 5-minute mattress movement routine. Ready to try it? Here's the exact routine. Just follow along with me. A. Supine stretch, 1 minute. Lying flat, arms overhead, toes pointing out. Inhale deeply. Stretch your fingers toward the headboard, toes toward the foot. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 5 times with deep breaths. Why? This lengthens your spine, improves circulation, and relieves overnight stiffness. B. Knee hugs plus lower back rock, 1 minute. Bring both knees to chest. Rock gently side to side. Hug your knees tight. Rock slowly like a baby in a cradle. 30 seconds side to side, then hold center and breathe deeply. Why? Loosens tight lower back muscles and massages your spine gently. C. Supine leg lifts, 1 minute. One leg extended flat, the other lifted straight up. Alternate slowly. Lift right leg slowly, hold for 2 seconds. Lower with control. Repeat with the left leg. Do 10 reps per side. Why? Activates core, improves hip mobility, and gently warms your legs. D. Seated twist plus shoulder rolls, 1 minute. Sit on the bed cross-legged, hands on knees. Inhale, twist gently to the right, exhale. Inhale, twist left, exhale. Then roll your shoulders 10 times backward, 10 times forward. Why? Relieve shoulder tension and wakes up your spine. E. Ankle rolls plus wrist circles, 1 minute. Sitting upright, rolling ankles and wrists. Roll ankles clockwise 10 times, then counterclockwise. Same with wrists. Shake out fingers and toes. Why? Gets blood flowing to the extremities, great for circulation and joint health. 4. The mental benefits of morning movement. You might be thinking, sure, it feels good, but can 5 minutes really change your life? Let me tell you, absolutely. Why? Because you're starting the day with purpose, winning your first micro goal, stimulating brain function, managing cortisol and stress levels before they spike. Even better, this becomes your anchor habit. Do this daily and suddenly you'll notice yourself craving healthier food, being more productive, feeling less sluggish. All because of 5 intentional minutes. 5. Common questions and mistakes. Question: can I do this at night too? Absolutely. It works great as a bedtime wind-down. Just skip the leg lifts if you're too stimulated after. Question: what if I have back pain? Perfect. This routine was designed to be spine-friendly, but always check with your doctor if unsure. Question: do I need a yoga mat or a firm bed? Nope. If your mattress is super soft, try doing it on top of a folded blanket or towel, but most beds work fine. Common mistake? People rush through the movements. Remember, slow is better. The goal is connection, not calories. 6. Your 7-day mattress movement challenge. Want to make this stick? Try this challenge. For the next 7 days, commit to the 5-minute mattress workout. Do it right after waking up or before bedtime. Track your consistency. Reflect each day on how your body feels. You'll be surprised how something so simple can have such a big impact. Because when you move with intention, even just for 5 minutes, you start living with intention too. So the next time your alarm goes off and your body says, "Not yet," just remember, you don't have to leave the bed to start becoming the person you want to be. That said, thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next one. And maybe tomorrow morning on your mattress.